I know you're probably looking for another TV videos, but we have done just about every TV on the market this year in 2025. So it's time for the rest of the year to show you some other products that I'm still interested in, but I just didn't take the time to film. So today we're going to take a look at this speaker right here. This is the party speaker. If you like bass response and you want to have a product that you can take to all the parties and the get-togethers, then this is a speaker that we should all check out. What we're talking about here is the Sony Ultra 7. Now, I'm not telling you to go back in time and look at my old videos, but when I first started this channel, I did Amazon devices, Google devices, and I did a lot of headphone videos. Plus, we did some Bluetooth speakers as well, because at the end of the day, if you go to the pool and you want to have a cool get together, those who have the loudest speaker wins in the audio world. Now, it does come with this basic instruction books with a barcode so you can download the application. And check this out. That's a heavy duty power cord. And believe it or not, this has been in my storage since the beginning of the year, but I decided to wait until I had time to show this to you guys. Now let's do the big reveal. Wow, look at this thing. Don't sit there and tell me that this is not the speaker that you want to take to the next party that you go to when someone has a basic audio system. Now, one thing about the speaker, it can get wet because it is IP67 water resistant. And this is a sealed cabinet here. When you open it up, you have plenty of controls like your light, your key controls, echoes. You have input so you can plug a guitar into it. Plus we have that big power supply, and we do have a USB connection. And if you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can run in a regular audio connection right there. And on the front of it, we do have this power button so you can turn it off and on. We have a Bluetooth so you can connect it to your device, play, pause, and you have your volume up and down. Now this right here is a little press button for some bass increase whenever you want to make the party go boom. Now I'm surprised it's been in storage for a while that the battery still lasts, so that gives you some indication. But check this out. You have these LED lights that goes around the woofers here on the side, and you have them on this side as well. Now I'm not trying to make this a long video, so what I want to do is just tell you a little bit about it, and then we'll do some demos. But keep in mind, these are demos, so you're not going to get the actual sound of what I hear, but it gives you a rough idea. Now, to connect this is pretty easy. Traditionally, you would think just connect it to your Bluetooth and go on with your life, but this series of speaker has EQs. There's also controls for the lights. So what you need to do, if this has been in storage, you want to download the older Sony Music Center application. Through that application with Bluetooth and everything, you can update it. Once it's updated, uninstall the application and then use the new Sony Connect app. And newer users may not have to worry about that, but I had to do it on this one. Now that application is compatible with iOS and Android, so just keep that in mind. Do this process that I'm about to show you if you get these speakers and want to get the best out of them. Now, if you have a updated model, you want to use the Sony Connect app. Just go ahead and open it up after you download it. It should find the speaker automatically when it's in pairing mode, and go ahead and press on select. And then it'll start connecting to the Bluetooth automatically. Once it finds it, just go ahead and press OK and hit save. Now here's the interface for the application. You can see the name of the speaker. You can see that it's connected to the Galaxy S22, and you can add a second device and play them simultaneously, which is a great feature. If you go down a little bit farther, you can change tracks on different content. You also have a DJ control where there's some different features inside of here to customize the EQ and a little bit more. Next, we have party lights. When you press on that, you can then choose the different colors of the light just by moving this circle around and finding one that works for you. And this speaker does have a karaoke feature. And what you would need to do is plug a microphone into the back of it, and then you can use it for singing. In addition to that, it has different sound effects here at the bottom once everything is in there. And then we have device settings. Inside of here, we have sound quality and volume, and it has different sound effects that you can customize right inside of this menu. We have function and connection, and this is basically showing all the devices that are connected to it. You have party now, and this is going to control the DJ controls, your party lights or karaoke. You have power and battery. And this allows you to control the amount of power that's coming out of the speaker, especially if it's not plugged in. And then we have system down here that shows you the version. And then we have these different lighting modes that you can choose how the lights look if you don't want to use any of the built-in presets like the DJ control. So that's a quick look of the application. And the great thing is that you can make this speaker do just about anything that you like. As you can see here, it's very easy to set up. and get everything up and running. Now I'm going to let you hear some audio demos so you can see how well it performs. And I'm going to say this is the Bluetooth speaker that you're going to love. So in my opinion, after listening to demos and playing it here in the studio, this speaker sounds fantastic. It's loud, it's crisp, it's clear, it's got the cool lights on it. And one of the things about this speaker is on the front of it, it actually has 4 drivers. There's 2 here in the center and there's a tweeter on each side. And they use a technology called X balance. They're square speakers instead of round speakers. And according to Sony, this is going to give you better bass response. Now, as far as battery life, you're going to get maximum 30 hours of use, which is pretty good for most applications. Plus you can plug it in the wall and still play it. And one cool thing about this speaker is that you can connect 100 of them together. So $450 times 100, you can do the math if you want to create this ultimate party situation. Now the Ultra series is part of a whole series. And I want to show you this. If you don't want to go this high, they also have this one. This is called the ULT Field 1, but they have a whole series to get up to the 7 that I'm showing you. And if you guys want a video on that, just let me know. And they have headphones that goes along with this series. And the cool thing about these headphones is they will connect to the Amazon system and Google systems to do voice command. Plus they have the 360-degree spatial sound. So if you guys like these type of videos and you're interested, I want you to know that I'm trying to switch things up and show you other products, but TVs will always be the main source on this channel. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.